baby John, you have the hiccups. Don't worry, honey. Everyone gets the hiccups once in a while. You've got the hiccups, baby John, but you will be okay. Yes, you have hiccups. Yes, you have hiccups. Yes, you have hiccups. We'll make them go away. How about drinking a nice glass of water, sweetie? Are your hiccups gone now, baby John? Oh no, the water didn't work.
Do you have the hiccups, baby John? It sounds like you do. You got the hiccups, baby John, but you will be okay. Yes, you have hiccups. Yes, you have hiccups. Yes, you have hiccups. We'll make them go away. I know the best way to make hiccups go away. Fill your cheeks with air and hold your breath like this. Are your hiccups gone, buddy?
Oh, you have the hiccups, baby John.
We can help you.
You've got the hiccups, baby John, but you will be okay. Yes, you have hiccups. Yes, you have hiccups. Yes, you have hiccups. We'll make them go away.
If you want to get rid of the hiccups, baby John, you need a good scare.
Yes, that will work.
Wow! Are your hiccups gone now, baby John?
You've got the hiccups, baby John, but you will be okay. Yes, you have hiccups.
I didn't hear you hiccup, baby John.
Neither did I. Let's try that again.
Yes, you have hiccups.
Your hiccups are gone.
Yay! You must be happy, baby John. Your hiccups went away. No, no more hiccups. No, no more hiccups. No, no more hiccups. Hooray, now we can play.
You don't have hiccups anymore, baby John. Yeah!
Whee!
Oh.
You had the hiccups, baby John. You didn't even cry. Brave, brave, you were brave. Brave, brave, you were brave. Brave, brave, you were brave. Your hiccups went bye-bye.
Oh dear!
No! Here we go again. Ready to row on patrol in my police car. My pink boots look so cute. I'm just like a star in my pink car, and I say, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. That's what we say. Police officers save the day. Yeah, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Yes, I can do wee-oo. Police officer, and I do it my way. Ready to work. Come on, let's go. Cross the road, little duckies. Quack, 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 got your back. You can trust in me. I'm the police, and I say, wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. That's what we say. Police officers save the day. Wee-oo, wee-oo,
gym class, Baby John.
Yeah! Let's play and climb up high, right up to the top. Here I go down the slide. The fun here never stops.
Baby John, don't be afraid. You can do it too. Go climb up and slide back down. We'll look after you. Who wants to play catch?
Me!
Time to throw and catch the ball. Don't worry if it falls.
Here you go, I'll throw you. It's fun catching balls.
Baby John, don't be afraid. You can do it too. Here, play catch and throw the ball. We'll look after you. Now it's time to walk across the balance beam, like this.
Let's walk over the balance beam to the other side.
It's your turn, you'll be okay. The beam is really wide. Baby John, you're doing great. You can do it too. Here, walk over the balance beam. We'll look after
Hula hoops! Let's try it, Baby John.
Let's jump into the hula hoops. Follow after me.
Here I go, I'll show you how. You get it soon, you'll see. Baby John, you're doing great. You can do it too. Jump, jump into the hula hoops. We're so proud of you.
Now we're ready for the obstacle course.
Let's crawl on our hands and knees. Who will win the race? Here I am, fast as I can. Who will win first place?
Baby John, you're doing great. You can do it too. Crawl and jump up through the hoop. We're so proud of you. It looks like you both win. It's a tie.
Mommy, I star!
Who wants to have fun in the ball pit? Okay, the tent is ready, guys. Are you ready?
No! Light!
I'll get some cookies and milk.
Now we are alone. All alone in the dark. What's that shadow? What could it be? It looks like a monster to me. Let's check and see. Where is it coming from? It must be a monster, I'm afraid. It was just in our heads. I'm back.
Once upon a time, there was a big scary wolf, howling so loud and its eyes so bright. No one came out at night. Oops, it is dark outside. We are alone in the dark. What's that noise? What's behind the door? Oh no, I can't see anymore.
It's bingo! Phew!
things as monsters. We are safe here at home.
I'm so scared. Let's stay and wait. No, stay with us. It's so scary out there.
There it was again. What is behind that door? Just a toy car shining at night. No reason to be afraid. Now let's go to sleep.
Something just moved. It's coming closer to us. It's so scary. I'm so scared. I'm sure it's not in my head.
What was that noise? Looks like a branch to me. It's not a monster, just a branch. No reason to be afraid. Let's go back to sleep. There's nothing out there. Mom, it's you.
Of course it's me. Who else would it be? Good night, sweetheart.